Next on our countdown, at number 10, we have the Propane Gas Cooktop 2-burner stove. This portable gas stove is designed with tempered glass and auto ignition, making it an ideal choice for RVs, apartments, and outdoor adventures. Featuring a high heat output of 19,000 BTU per hour, this stove heats up your food quickly and evenly. The auto ignition system ensures a hassle-free start every time, so there's no need for cumbersome matches or lighters. Simply push and turn the knob to ignite the flame and set your desired heat level. Built to last, the surface of the cooktop is made with 0.28-inch thick tempered glass, offering both corrosion resistance and effortless cleaning. The stove's sturdy design includes a new frame that ensures your woks and pans stay in place without slipping, thanks to its 4 non-slip rubber legs. Measuring 28.5 inches by 15.1 inches by 3 inches, this cooktop comes with a CSA-certified gas regulator and hose, making it easy and safe to use right out of the box. Perfect for any weather condition, rain or shine, this burner is ideal for outdoor kitchens and barbecue islands. Its wide application makes it a versatile addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Propane Gas Cooktop 2-burner stove, and elevate your cooking game on the go. Coming in at number 9, we have the 2-burner Propane Gas Cooktop by Hardwired. This 12-inch LPG/NG dual-fuel built-in gas stove top is a versatile addition to any apartment, outdoor kitchen, or RV setup. Equipped with 2 high-efficiency burners, this cooktop includes a 5,000 BTU semi-rapid burner and an 8,500 BTU rapid burner, providing a total power of up to 13,500 BTU. This powerful combination saves you cooking time and meets all your culinary needs. Designed for dual fuel use, this gas cooktop initially comes set up for natural gas but includes additional liquefied petroleum gas nozzles and a conversion kit. The conversion process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. The automatic electric pulse ignition utilizes a 110-120V AC power supply, offering faster and more stable ignition speeds. Built with premium materials, the cast iron grates are corrosion resistant, less prone to rust, and dishwasher safe. The brushed stainless steel surface casing is sturdy, durable, and resistant to scratching, paired with one-piece metal knobs that won't break or melt. Measuring 12 inches in length and 20 inches in width, with cut-up dimensions of 10 and 5/8 inches by 19 inches, this cooktop is perfect for both indoor and outdoor kitchens, including apartments, RVs, and barbecue islands. Hardwired provides a 1-year quality warranty for this gas stove, along with 24/7 technical support. In the event of any quality issues, they promise prompt replacement of new components, ensuring you receive the best service possible. Experience efficient and reliable cooking with the 2-burner Propane Gas Cooktop by Hardwired. At number 8 in our countdown, we have the 2-burner Electric Cooktop. This 110V, 12-inch built-in radiant electric stove offers convenience and efficiency for any kitchen setup. The plug-in design makes installation a breeze. Just plug it into any 110V outlet, and you're ready to start cooking. No need for complex wiring, just plug and play. This cooktop features dual-zone heating with a 600W burner and a 1400W burner, allowing you to cook with different-sized pots and pans simultaneously. This saves time and energy, making meal preparation more efficient. Safety is a top priority with this electric cooktop. It comes with a built-in safety protection system that includes a safety lock, over-temperature protection, and a timer, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience. With 9 power levels, this radiant cooktop offers precise control over your cooking. Whether you need to braise, fry, simmer, steam, boil, stir-fry, or roast, this cooktop has the right power level for every cooking method. The sleek and modern matte ceramic design makes this cooktop easy to clean and maintain. After use, simply wipe down the surface with a damp cloth, and it will look as good as new. The included blade scrape makes cleaning even easier. Experience the perfect blend of convenience, safety, and efficiency with the 2-burner electric cooktop. Number 7 on our countdown is the Camplux Propane Gas Cooktop with tempered glass and double burners. This LPG stove offers both high performance and convenience, making it an excellent choice for your cooking needs. With a powerful heat output of 19,000 BTU per hour, this propane gas stove heats up quickly and efficiently, thanks to its auto-ignition feature. No more cumbersome startups, just instant, high heat when you need it. The tabletop design features 0.28-inch thick tempered glass, making it effortless to clean. The new stove frame ensures that your woks and pans stay in place without slipping. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use pots with a diameter of 5 to 8.6 inches for faster and more even heating. Built with high-quality materials, the shell of the stove is made of number 304 stainless steel with a thickness of 0.02 inches, and the gas hobfoot is made of durable ABS. This ensures a long-lasting and sturdy construction. The Camplux cooktop also comes with a CSA-certified gas regulator and hose, so you have everything you need to start cooking right away without any additional purchases. For safety, it's crucial to check the alignment of the air intake adjustment board and burner upon receiving the stove. Additionally, a leakage test using soap water on all joints is required before use. If you see bubbles or hear gas leakage, do not use the stove and contact customer service. For guidance, you can find helpful videos on YouTube. Elevate your cooking experience with the Camplux Propane Gas Cooktop, combining high heat output, easy maintenance, and top-notch safety features. At number 6 in our countdown, we have the Karinear 2 Burners Electric Cooktop. This 12-inch, 120V plug-in ceramic cooktop offers convenience, safety, and versatility for your kitchen needs. This multifunctional electric stovetop features independent operating areas for each burner, making it simple for anyone to use. Safety is a top priority with this cooktop, equipped with various protection functions including a child safety lock, 99-minute timer, auto shutdown, residual heat warning, and pause function, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience for everyone, including pregnant women. Designed for easy use, this cooktop comes with a plug, eliminating the need for an electrician. Suitable for 110-120V, it can be perfectly used in all American households. While it's designed to be built-in, it also features 4 bottom brackets, allowing you to use it on the countertop and move it anywhere conveniently. The Karinear cooktop offers 9 power levels on its large burner, 1400W, catering to various cooking methods such as braising, frying, simmering, steaming, boiling, stir-frying, and roasting. The small burner, 600W, has 2 power levels, L4 low and HI4 high, ideal for heating coffee, milk, or keeping food warm. Its sleek black glass design not only looks modern but is also easy to clean. The smooth ceramic surface is strong, high-temperature resistant, and comes with a cleaning scraper for effortless maintenance. Versatility is key with this electric ceramic cooktop, as it is compatible with all kinds of cookware including iron, aluminum, stainless steel, and glass. Before purchasing, please confirm the size to ensure a perfect fit for your kitchen. The electric radiant cooktop measures 20.5 inches in width, 11.4 inches in depth, and 1.57 inches in height. Enhance your cooking experience with the Karinear 2 Burners Electric Cooktop, offering safety, convenience, and style for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Number 5 in our countdown is the Burner Gas Stove, a 2-burner propane stove designed for versatility and efficiency, perfect for outdoor adventures, camping, and RVs. This stove boasts a high heat output with its split burner design, mixing air for efficient combustion and reducing gas consumption. The 14,300 BTU high-power 3D 3-dimensional rotating flame burner provides concentrated firepower and a wide heating area for higher thermal efficiency. The inner and outer double flame rings allow for precise temperature control, making it perfect for all your cooking needs. The stove features a 0.31-inch thick explosion-proof tempered glass panel, which is both durable and easy to clean. Unlike metal, the glass surface is less likely to stick to oil, is corrosion-resistant, and never rusts. Installation is a breeze with the included CSA-certified regulator and 36-inch hose, compatible with standard propane cylinders. Simply remove and install the grate from the bottom of the stove, connect the pressure-reducing valve to the stove and gas bottle, and you're ready to cook. It even includes a new small pot holder, perfect for milk pots and coffee pots, preventing them from tipping over. This portable propane stove measures 28.5 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and 3.1 inches in height, with a drip tray diameter of 9.25 inches. Its compact size and portability make it easy to move and set up wherever you need. The piezoelectric ignition design means no need for a power source, just connect it to propane and you're good to go. Ideal for outdoor cooking on patios, camping trips, barbecue islands, RVs, and more. Experience the convenience and power of the Burner gas stove, combining high heat output, easy maintenance, and portability for all your outdoor cooking adventures. Number 4 on our countdown is the Koblenz PSK-400S, a portable stainless steel stove designed for propane gas with 4 high-performance burners. Equipped with 4 burners delivering a total of 16,000 BTUs, this gas stove offers fully adjustable flame control for burner efficiency and an extended product life. Whether you're simmering, boiling, or frying, this stove has you covered. The porcelain stove cover provides maximum protection for your burners, safeguarding them from external elements and enhancing their longevity. The easy-to-clean surface ensures maintenance is a breeze. The Koblenz PSK-400S features a manual ignition system and is compatible with a standard LP gas canister, eliminating the need for additional power sources. Just connect a single standard LP gas canister, and you're ready to cook for an extended period. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, this gas stove is perfect for camping, hunting, tailgating, backyard cookouts, and any outdoor activity. Its compact dimensions of 24 inches by 20 inches by 5 inches make it easy to carry and transport. Combining the versatility and cooking quality of a patio grill with the portability of a traditional camp stove, the Koblenz PSK-400S is crafted from stainless steel with a silver finish, ensuring durability and reliability. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Koblenz PSK-400S, offering powerful performance, protection, and portability. Number 3 in our countdown is the 2-burner propane gas cooktop, a 12-inch LPG/NG dual-fuel built-in gas stove top with a sleek black tempered glass surface. Crafted from 8mm real-thickness black tempered glass, this gas stove is not only cool and dirt-resistant but also features a one-piece design that prevents spilled liquid from seeping into the interior. Both the front and back sides are made of 304 stainless steel strips, making it corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant. The smooth glass surface is easy to clean, ensuring a pristine look for your kitchen. This cooktop features 2 sealed burners with different power levels, a 5,000 BTU burner and a 10,500 BTU burner. These burners can be adjusted individually to meet various cooking needs. The stovetop is pre-installed for natural gas, with extra LPG nozzles included for easy conversion. Durability is a key feature with its heavy-duty cast iron grate, designed as a one-piece structure for stability and resistance to deformation. The unique 8-claw structure securely holds pans in place, and with an 8-inch distance between burners, it accommodates most pan sizes. For safety, this gas cooker is equipped with an electric ignition and thermocouple protection. The Flame-Out Failure System, FFD, ensures the gas shuts off automatically if no flame is detected, preventing gas leakage and keeping your family safe. The melt-proof and anti-scalding Bakelite knob controls come with a child protection lock, requiring a press and rotate action to ignite, preventing accidental touches by children. The built-in gas stove top measures 11.6 inches in width, 20.4 inches in length, and 3.9 inches in height, with a cutout size of 10.7 inches by 18.9 inches. It comes with a pre-installed 120V power cord but does not include a natural gas pressure regulator and gas pipe. Its compact 12-inch width makes it suitable for RVs, apartments, or outdoor use. Experience the perfect blend of style, safety, and functionality with this 2-burner propane gas cooktop, ideal for any cooking environment. At number 2 in our countdown, we have the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop, a 12-inch built-in electric stove top designed for efficiency and convenience. This ceramic double cooktop features 2 independent heating areas, allowing you to quickly produce different delicious foods simultaneously. Suitable for 220-240V, this hardwired cooktop is perfect for making holiday dinners like Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Easter easier and more efficient. With 9 power levels, this electric cooktop lets you choose the right setting for various cooking methods, including braising, frying, simmering, steaming, boiling, stir-frying, and roasting. The heating effect is comparable to that of a gas stove, ensuring your food is just as delicious. The knob control design makes it simple to operate, especially for the elderly and those with poor eyesight. The tactile feel of the knobs provides a more reliable and safer experience compared to touchscreen buttons, preventing accidental activation by children or pets. Safety is paramount with the Karinear cooktop, which includes a residual heat indicator to warn you when the surface is too hot to touch, and an overheating protection system that automatically shuts off the stove if the internal temperature gets too high. This electric radiant cooktop is compatible with all types of cookware, including aluminum pans, copper pans, cast iron frying pans, and non-magnetic stainless steel pans. It heats cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss and is easy to clean with a simple wipe when cool. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop, combining versatility, safety, and ease of use for any kitchen setting. And now, our number 1 product in the countdown, the electric cooktop 30-inch ceramic stove. This top-of-the-line built-in stove top features 4 burners and a sleek satin glass cooktop in black. The electric cooktop is designed with knob control, eliminating complicated buttons and making it easy to operate. This user-friendly design is especially suitable for the elderly and those with poor eyesight, offering a reliable and tactile experience. The knob controls also prevent accidental activation by children or pets, ensuring a safer kitchen environment. With an impressive power output of 6700 W, this cooktop includes 4 burners, top left at 1200 W, top right at 1800 W, down left at 2500 W with dual heating coils, and down right at 1200 W. The dual heating coils and 1 hot plate reach up to 2500 W, perfect for fast boiling and searing. The 30-inch electric ceramic stove is versatile, accommodating a wide range of cookware, including stainless steel, enamel, iron, ceramics, and copper pots. It's ideal for handling multi-person parties and large family gatherings, making it a great choice for any home. Featuring a modern and minimalist design, the black ceramic glass cooktop is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly durable and heat-resistant. The built-in design saves space and fits seamlessly with any kitchen counter, adding a touch of elegance to your cooking area. For your peace of mind, the cooktop dimensions are 30.31 inches by 20.47 inches by 2.17 inches, with a cutout size of 29.13 inches by 19.29 inches. In case of any malfunctions, the manufacturer provides an 18-month free replacement service and excellent customer support. Simply contact them through Amazon to initiate a warranty claim. Experience the perfect blend of efficiency, safety, and style with the electric cooktop 30-inch ceramic stove, our top pick for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.